12838 Homestead. It's the hottest listing in Lusby, Maryland right now. And let me show you to you. My name is Brian Mayer with the Mayer Group at eXp Realty, and I'm getting ready to have an open house here tomorrow. But before I tell you about the open house, let me show you this hottest new listing. What you got here before I even walk in the door, brand new architectural shingles on the brand new roof. So here we go, guys. Got a little porch, and you are going to love this house. All right, here we go. 12838 Homestead. The contractors just left here, and look what an amazing job they did. Stainless appliances. Check out this beautiful granite, freshly installed. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna show you the living room with the real wood burning fireplace, cathedral ceilings, laminate floors. So one level living at its finest here. So 3 bedrooms at the end of the hallway. Here's the hall bath. Gonna get a new shower curtain, all new flooring, all new carpet. Here's the master bedroom with the French doors. And then it goes into this bathroom that has a skylight over top of the soaking jetted tub. It also has a stand-up shower. All right, so I'm gonna take you down into the basement really quick, and then I'm gonna show you the coolest thing about this whole piece of property. I'm gonna show you the outside, but before I do, let me show you the garage real quick. 2-car garage. All right, we're going down to the basement, and then I'm gonna take you out back, and you're gonna see this amazing backyard. All right, so you come down the stairs, all new laminate floors, fresh paint, white trim. This is gorgeous. All right, so that's the main room. There's a laundry room and a workshop. I'm not gonna take you through there for time, but I will show you this bar area. So guys, come by tomorrow and stop by for a cookout we're having at this awesome backyard. I'm gonna show it to you really quick, but let me just explain. If you guess the sales price, the price that it actually sells for when it goes to settlement, you can win a 55-inch 4K TV. If more than one person guess the price, we'll pick between them. But check out this backyard, guys. This is party central. Huge deck right here. And this is it. Hottest listing in Lusby. I don't think it'll be on the market very long. If you know anybody who's in the market, especially if they're looking for a Rambler, which is very hard to come by, especially one that doesn't need a ton of upgrades and move-in hassle. I mean, literally your checklist when you come into this house is unpack, put your pictures on the wall, put your feet up on the couch, and invite some friends over for a housewarming party. This is Brian Mayer with the Mayer Group at eXp Realty. Make it a fantastic day.